This video is the 7th in a series of short videos providing an introduction to the use of T-Web. They will make most sense if watched in order. In this video, I am going to have a more detailed look at the booking process in terms of the interaction with suppliers. In the search engine, click Check Availability to display the availability for a given service as on a given date. This is as determined by suppliers and can change from day to day. For accommodation, the availability displayed is color-coded: green, blue, orange, and red. Green means available. For example, nice not hollow. If the service is added to a project and booked right away, it will immediately be confirmed. This is possible when we have specifically negotiated online availability with the provider or when our system links in with theirs. Blue means on request, for example, at Greywood. When a service on request is booked, a request is sent to suppliers who then respond in one of three ways. The request can be confirmed or waitlisted or unconfirmed. Orange, for example at the Rex, means unavailable. This happens when online availability is managed for the service but has been used up for the specific date. It does not mean that the service definitely cannot be confirmed. Providers may have more rooms than they make available online. A booking will be treated as a request. Red means closed for sale. Closed means that the service cannot be sold, it cannot be selected and added to a project. This happens, for example, with providers that close down for the low season or for renovations. Availability is displayed in the search engine before a service is added, and again when a project is booked on the project availability page, because it might have changed in the meantime. If a service shows as unavailable, for example Bantry Bay, you might want to replace it before proceeding with the booking. When the confirmation is received from the client, the tour consultant retrieves the project, checks the feasibility, and makes all the necessary updates, for example to the dates, times, passenger names, etc. Then the project is booked. Except for last-minute bookings, at this stage only hotel booking emails are sent. This is defined on the project availability page. When you click Create Booking, the booking emails to be sent are automatically generated and sent to the supplier, copied to the tour consultant and booking consultant. In Service Basket for a booked project, a column Status appears, indicating RQ for services for which the email has not yet been sent, along with a red flashing indicator, RS for services for which a request was sent and confirmation is pending, and OK for automatically confirmed services, for example if online availability was used. When a supplier responds on a booking email received, it is automatically addressed to the booking consultant. When the booking consultant processes the responses and updates the status, a booking status update email is generated and sent to the tour consultant, indicating all the services in the project with their status. The recently updated status appears in bold. The updated status is also visible in the Service Basket and on the reference. The reference also shows the reservation number entered by the booking consultant. To send pending bookings, normally a month before the date in, click on Booking Management, then click Send Booking Mails. All the pending bookings have now been sent. The automatically generated booking emails appear in the inbox as From African Eagle Online. The subject indicates the type of email: booking request, booking amendment, booking cancellation, booking status update, etc. For booking emails, it also indicates the project reference, booking reference, and provider name. This booking reference is an internal T-Web reference to identify the booking for a specific provider for a specific project. The header of the email shows the project reference and heading and provider name, followed by the booking details, including dates, service, passenger and room numbers, status, and booking info entered, if any. Then the passenger list and configuration, including names when entered, and information about the clients, passengers, the company, and the tour consultant. The booking consultant is indicated in the footer of the email. For status update emails, the subject indicates the project reference. The header of the email shows the date of the update and that it is a status update. Services appear in chronological order with, for each service, the date start, provider, service, start location, booking status, and booking reference, this being the internal T-Web reference. Depending on the service, it also shows the date end, start time if entered, end location for transport, and end time if entered. The service affected by the latest update is displayed in bold. And that is it. Thank you for watching.